Alright guys, let's start up the truck so you can hear the motor. This truck has no lights on the dash as well. I'm gonna start it cold. Starts right up without any issues. Truck has exhaust brake. 80,611 original miles, guys. Can't get better than that. Very low miles, very well kept truck. As you can see, there's no lights on the dash. I was just revving the truck there. Let's take a look at the under the hood. You can see there's no lights on the dash. Everything's normal. Very good running truck, guys. If you have any questions, call me at 561-400-4556. Thanks for watching.